is the or you can play the normal. The only difference I added the so. So it's like D major.
Green Sky Studio.
So I need you, man. I did my focus. So that's the way the melody goes. So the first chord is, so you'll be on low, then you go to fa, then you come to to this A diminished. You are playing the inversion, or you can see that C7 diminished. So let's go. They are starting. I need you to guess. So you come to do. So let's take it from them. Then fa, do. So I play to again. A diminished. So are going to so do ti la so fa mi ma be re di so that's
Green Sky Studio.